Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhajikar. Today's topic is cell structure or cell biology. Cell structure is a cells provided to the necessary structural supports to an organism. The genetic information necessary for reproduction is present within a nucleus. Structurally, the cell has cell organelles which are suspended in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria is in the organelle responsible for fulfilling the cell energy requirements. Basically, what is a cell? A cell is defined as a fundamental structural and functional unit of living organism. In which state of the characteristics of cells, it is a cell provide the necessary structure support an organism. The genetic information necessary to reproduction is present within a nucleus. Structurally, the cell has cell organelles which are suspended in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria is the organelle responsible for fulfilling the cell energy requirements. Lysosome digests metabolic waste and foraging particles in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum synthesis selective molecules and process them, eventually directing them to their appropriate location. There is a cell structure and components. The cell structure comprises several individual components which perform specific function essential to carry out of life process. The components of the cell are follows. First is a cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelles. In which cell organelle there is a nucleus membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, chloroplast or vacuoles. There is a state types of cells. Cells are primarily classified into two types, namely prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells, in which there is a elaborate the cell theory is the cell theory was proposed by Mithes Shedden, and there is all 3 or 4 scientists. The cell theory states that a living species on earth compound cells. A cell is the basic unit of the life. A cells arise from pre-existing cells. What are the function of a cell? The essential functions of the cell include in cell structure is the cell provides support and structure of the body. It facilitates growth by mitosis. It helps in reproduction, provides energy and allow the transport of substance. There is a different types of cell structure. First is a Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies pack and sort and protein for secretion. It creates lysosome and transport lipids around the cell. And there is a different types of organelles are there. There is a 4 main types of cells. There is a epithelial cells. These cells are tightly attached to one another. Second one is a nerve cells. These cells are specialized for communication. Third one is a muscle cell. These cells are specialized for contraction. And fourth one is a connective tissue cells. There is a different types of cells. And there is a smallest cells are there. Cell fall 2 main types of cells. These cells fall into one of 2 broad categories. First is a prokaryotic and second one is a eukaryotic. The predominantly single-celled organism of the domains bacteria and archaea are classified as prokaryotes. Pro means before, karyon means nucleus. Animal cells, plant cells, fungi and protists are eukaryotes. And a cell has a 3 main parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, the cytoplasm. The cell membrane surrounded the cell and control the substance that go into and out of the cell. The nucleus is a structure inside cell contents, and the nucleus and most of the cells DNA. It is also where most RNA is made. There is a different types of examples are there. Cytoplasmic organelles are little organs that are suspended in the cytoplasm of the cell. Each type of organelle has a definite structure and specific role in the function of the cell. Example of a cytoplasmic organelles are mitochondrion, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosome. These all about cell structure and cell biology. Thank you.